Struggling to connect your merchant account to your online store? For many business owners, the tech setup is the hardest part. Here's a quick way to see the challenge. If you search for top e-commerce shopping carts, you will find plenty of options. But not all of them support the same payment processors, which means connecting your merchant account can get complicated fast. And if your platform does not integrate directly, you're stuck with workarounds or extra tools that slow things down. That's why EasyPay Direct makes it simple. With 250 plus integrations, you can connect your merchant account to nearly any shopping cart you use. Plus, transaction routing automatically protects your payments by spreading them across multiple accounts, and recurring billing makes subscription sales effortless. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get hosted checkout, letting you create simple payment links in just a few clicks if you ever want to bypass a cart completely. If you're tired of tech headaches and just want your merchant account to work with your shopping cart, EasyPay Direct is the simplest way to do it. Use the link in the description to get started and connect your payments reliably.